If you took the chemical test when asked to do so by a police officer, which means you've been arrested, and you take the breathalyzer, the blood test, the urine test, or in some cases the saliva test, which is a little bit less common, at your arraignment, which is your first appearance in court, which could be weeks after the arrest occurred in New York State. It could be days, it could be weeks. And by the way, between your arrest date and your arraignment date, you still maintain your full privileges. But when you get to the arraignment, which is the first appearance before the judge can typically temporarily suspend your operating privileges pursuant to something that's known as suspension pending prosecution. The judge will suspend your operating privileges if there is a breath analysis record, a certified copy of a breath analysis record, that reflects that you blew a 0.08% or higher on the chemical test. They would physically take your license at your arraignment if you have a New York driver's license. If your license is from another state, they won't physically take the license itself, but they nevertheless will suspend your operating privilege. A separate aspect of that is you can apply for a hardship privilege before that same judge that just suspended your license. And if that's a discretionary operating privilege that is issued and the determination is made by that judge, and if she or he decides that you have met that quote extreme hardship unquote standard, they will allow you to drive on a limited basis to and from work and to and from medical appointments. That limited license privilege is not immediately available in New York if you refuse to take the chemical test.